Okay, so I need to flip this plate around. I realized that it's the wrong format. Still not gonna fit properly just because it's so short on the platform here. But yeah, it's okay. Okay, Google, skip the song. Oh, there, got it. Okay, Google, play Khaltoum. No, Maftoum. Okay, Google, play Kulthum on home audio. There we go. Gotta use my American accent. Oh, great. There's the bug. Okay, Google. Okay, Google, play MS Doom on home audio. Okay, Google, play MS Doom. I wonder what the issue is. Okay, Google, play Kulthum on home audio. Not comfortable with these bottom ones here. I'm gonna put some bolts or something to space it out. Why did you assemble the board? Why did I reassemble? No, I reassembled the fan cover. There's I told you it's just a bad design. They put these the bottom plate on without any spacers or anything between the bolt and the board, and there's this connections on the back that are sticking out. I don't want to break those, so I'm just gonna put some bolts or something to hold it into place. That's a lot better. My God. Okay. So that helps the board sit a little bit better, but it's still super tight. But now the cables aren't as tense or tight. So I have the power supply. I'm going to attach this now. Hope I don't blow myself up with this. Okay, so the black is the minus, that's yellow. Can't find my knife. Oh, right there. This is my black. Don't unscrew the whole thing. Yeah. Need to shorten this wire a little bit. So. Yeah, that's why I'm checking this thing multiple times. Oh my god. No, it doesn't say that. It says com, 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 and then plus V, plus V, plus V. In the instructions, it tells me to put it in these 2 points. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a layout. It's LN for the AC power, then this it's like a line with 3 lines under it. I think that's a ground. Then there's com, 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 and then plus V, plus V, plus V, and then there's the last one, plus V ADJ, but I don't think that's not related to that. I think that's voltage adjustment, yeah. Okay, so the black went to the com, and then the red went to the the plus V sign. So I don't think you can see it, but it should be com here and then plus V here, and then so my red, which is in this setup, the red is the positive. So it's positive, yeah, red is the positive and then black is the negative. And I double checked on this one because I had it like that, yeah. Not even double checked. I checked a million times. Okay. Yeah, I'll send you a picture because they want me to attach the fans as well. So I sent you an image. Okay. So I'm going to attach now the power cable. Let's hope those are all the same color as the picture. And I put that over there. Oh. Okay, so my power cable doesn't have a ground. So the brown goes on the L. Doesn't matter. Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah, well, this is blue and brown. So I think brown goes to the line, and then N is for the neutral. So yeah, that's correct. Okay. So now the two fans that go to the motherboard, I have to cut off these two clips. And these are 2x1, not 2x3. But I guess I can use them on the other one if I ever need to. So they say cut the plugs, separate the power, strip them, and then put them. Red wires with the plus, and then black with the negative. God, they're so small. Yeah, it's just for the cooling fans for the motherboard, not the motherboard, the whatever the board. Problem is, how do I cut them without cutting the wire? Okay. All the extra fans, which are unnecessary. I don't know, it's like for cooling the board, which isn't under the heat bed, so it doesn't even get that hot, which I guess if I don't really need it for the board, later on I can add them somewhere else. Because they're always on. They never turn off, I think, once you connect them to this. As soon as you turn it on, the fan starts going. I'm gonna zip tie these cables as well. Yeah, I don't know. No, the face of the fan is down, so yeah, the hot air is or air is gonna get blown onto the board, which is open, which is okay, but still kind of useless. But I'm not a doctor, Jim. So much extra cable. Red wires on the plus, okay, so everything's 100%, don't worry. I triple checked the cables. More than triple checked. Anyways, I bought a bunch of zip ties, so I'm not gonna run out. Okay, so it's all built. Should I plug it in? ما في مشكلة. Okay. Ta-da! And where to plug it in? Well, oh, it's a very short cable. There's no plug over there. I guess I'll move my table. But move the power supply off the plastic. Yeah, I know. I'm going to. I need to move the whole table. I'm going to clear the whole table, then start it up. Let me just double check everything is there. Screen, belts, cables are fine, plugged in. Belts are tight. Oh, almost forgot. I need to trim the belts. like this. This is how it is. Like the fan is pointing up, when there's no fan. So there's a switch on the side that says 220 volts by. It says 220 volts by selected by switch. Before power on, please check input voltage, avoiding damage. So does that mean like I have to check like Canada what the power output is here? I think it's fine. Yeah, it's on 110 now, I think. Yeah, it's on the left side, which is 110 volts. Okay. Oh. I'm spinning the table. Oh, okay, I understand what you're saying. Yeah, because it is curved, so I'll shorten it. But let's check if the thing runs. I need to buy like a tray for it to hold everything together. Okay, Google, turn on bouquet slide to 100%. Okay, Google. Okay, Google, bouquet slide to 100%. Oh my god. Okay, Google. Living room lights to 100%. There we go. Can you see it fine? You clean the cable a bit still. Too many bolts left over. I sent so much extra stuff. I don't. I just put it to listen to something new. Why are you such a hater? Okay, Google. Play Feiruz on audio. I don't know many Arabic singers, so there you go. I'll just start. Hey Google, stop. Okay, it's either gonna explode or I'm gonna have a printer that turns on. Ready? You watching? Am I going to plug it in until you say you're watching? Go for it, okay. There's no smoke. The fan is on. There's nothing heating up. It would have blown up by now, right? If it was... Yeah, it's not on. I wonder why it's not on. You have to... Oh. Try holding the reset button down. It's like shaking, it's like vibrating. Let me check the instructions. I might remove these fans because they're shaking the board, which is close to the... No, it has nothing loaded onto it. I have to load it first, right? I think it has the firmware on the USB stick. So when I put, there's like a red light as well on the board. This red light, it says, it just has number 3070. I don't know what it means. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what I figured. It's not, nothing's installed, so I just have to install the software, or the firmware. These fans are really strong, but they're vibrating a lot. Now it's Firmware. I put it out there. Got it. Hook the board, I mean. I think the USB stick should have everything. It even came with this to plug it into the board. Should I unplug it or just leave it plugged in? Okay. Oh, it was installing a device driver when I unplugged it. Uh-oh. Oh, but it's drawing power from the USB, so it's fine. Okay, so on here I have CH340G USB to TTL driver. Check the user manual if they have instructions. Connect in software. Oh, علينا. This is a whole process now, huh? This is a whole nother process. My beard's messed up. Okay, so now I have to, oh, can I do screen share? I can't do monitor capture right now because I'm using streaming software. Gotta look good. Okay, so Connect printer to PC. Install the driver. Trying to Skype me. I'm online. I'm calling you right now. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? I can't hear you. Your mic's not working, it's just blank. Wait a minute, yeah, I understood that. But I can't hear anything. Anyways. I can hear you now.
You can hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So you can do screen share on Skype.
Where, on my laptop?
Yeah.
I was trying with, I'll try it now. Just 1 second, let me do a selfie with my, and put it on Facebook. It's alive. Kind of. That's awkward.
take like this. It's gonna be in your face for years. You can take many selfies with it. It's terrible. It's a terrible picture.
Why?
Because you're bending down, you should like take it up and shoot it from up with you, and do not you bend.
It's huge.
You don't have to be like close to it. Let them show you. Take it from up there. Anyway.
I have to take a good photo. It's a big achievement. Ah, here we go.
Yeah, the back of your phone is great.
What back of my phone?
The non-existent back of your phone.
Post. Social media, man. Okay. I'll call you on my PC, my laptop.
Oh, you want on your phone?
Yes, my phone.
Oh, okay.
What?
I'm gonna call you. Do you have this number?
What?
Do you have this account? Do you have this account?
No, this is a separate one. Call me on it.
Yeah, I'll call you.
Bye. Okay. So they're saying to connect printer to PC, done. Then they tell me to install the. I'm gonna minimize this chat. To install the
Arduino. First, that's it, where it says software.
Yeah.
Software folder. Okay, so this one right there is.
Yeah.
Although you should download the latest version instead of this.
It will
one.
update, won't it?
No. Just download it from arduino.org.
Okay.
I think it's 1.8, the latest version.
Just close all these tabs. Start fresh.
For some reason, Chinese people like repertier, whatever that is.
Rep? What do you mean?
No, that third software that they're asking you to install or download.
Repetier host.
Repetier hosts. Just sucks. Not sucks, but it's hard to use.
Okay.
So what are you doing?
I'm on the Arduino one. 1 second.
Well, there should be a download.
Oh my god, what? I don't need this.
It's Windows, man.
Software?
Yeah. Right there.
IDE?
Downloads, IDE 1.8.2.
Let me cancel this. Close. Windows.
Just scroll up. No, don't. You don't. No, not this. Not this.
Is hourly build? Can't.
Scroll up right there where it says Windows
What is this
installer.
hourly build?
Windows installer. Yeah. Just other. No. Just download.
$50.
Just,
Why? I should give them money, shouldn't I?
yeah. I'm not stopping you.
If the printer works, I'll donate something. I need to buy more of that plastic tubing.
Which one? Al-Wrap?
Yeah. I'll remove those zip ties and just use that. I just need to buy one actually, just for the power cable.
Yeah, you can get it from AliExpress. Sure. Yeah. Okay, install it.
Yes. Agree. Create USB, install USB driver?
Sure. Although I think you just did anyway, but it's okay.
Next, Marlin. Need to flash the firmware to the motherboard. So, linear Marlin. There's two files.
Don't, you don't need to go there. Once, yeah, so open this, see what if they have, because every firm, not this is you're not gonna touch. The RAR one. Oh, this is you uncompressed? Or?
I think it's just, yeah, just uncompressed. It's already uncompressed in this file.
Why do they have it twice?
I don't know. Don't ask a lot of questions about this printer, please. I don't think the guy who sent it to me, they know more about this than I do.
No, it's important because this is like, one of them is generic and probably the other one has specific settings for your printer.
I think this one, no, they're both linear Marlin. Both of them are linear Marlin.
Yeah, there's, but one of the files called config.
Example configurations, Delta.
Configuration. Yeah.
There's configuration advanced and configuration just normal.
Yeah. Anyway, follow the instructions, see what they tell you. So you finished installing?
Let me check. Oh my god. To clean up my desktop. No, still installing.
Click on the thing on the bottom.
Still installing.
Oh.
That guy's name is Dave. Dave from Hong Kong.
Okay, so scroll down. What do you have to no, the instruction user manual. So you did this, right? You connected it to your PC.
Yeah.
And you installed the USB driver.
I don't know. So step one is connect printer to PC, install the driver, copy the file and the SD card to PC.
You did that, didn't you?
No, so this is the first step is just need software as follows.
Yeah, I know, but he's gonna describe them in detail later. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, install the driver. Okay, I think I installed the driver, but it didn't fully load. When I unplugged it, it stopped loading the driver.
Plug it again and see if it does what it does. Unplug it and plug it again.
See if it recognizes this. It's not installing anything right now.
Anyway, try to install it. If it doesn't hurt, if it's already installed, you can install it again. Double click on that drive, this one. And just
USB driver. They say which one? Sorry. Open the file ch to ttl driver. This one here.
Yeah.
Then do ch34. Okay, this one. Then set drive setup 64.
Just set up. Same thing. Yes.
Oh, it's in English. Cool. So install. Boom. You've... Oh, driver install success. Okay. Check device manager will find hard drive or hardware. Device manager. Would you like to install this device software? Adafruit Industries LLC ports.
Yeah, so this is the driver about Arduino. Now it's asking you. So.
Install. Install.
Close this. Is that done?
Okay, so back to device manager.
Is the printer connected?
Yes. Device manager. Now I should see
the bottom universal serial bus connector on COM. I don't think you have COM. Do you have COM? It's in Chinese alphabetically.
ports? This one here? Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So remember this COM3, it says COM3. Anyway, it's the only
it's in ports, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Okay, software installer. They're pettier software to control the printer, so need install it first. Okay. So I go back. Back.
So yeah, this you'll never use, but it's okay. Again.
It's only for the setup, right?
I don't know why they use it. I guess just to test, maybe, because you can do everything with slide. I guess you know. I use Cura, so.
Slicer, SkyForge slicer. Should I install these?
If you're gonna use the slicer.
Yeah, why not? It's 135 megabytes, whatever.
Yeah.
Retry. Cancel. Okay, so
don't check that.
No.
Because they already include the slicer there anyway. I don't know what that is.
Launch it? I don't think so. Oh no, okay, this is the...
Yeah, he launched it. I guess that detects whether you're connected or not.
Move! Oh, I know the software. Download, right?
If you want to upgrade, yeah.
Or should I wait?
Doesn't matter at this point. I don't think you're gonna print anything right now. Oh, you can.
Remind me later.
Yeah.
Remind me.
So you go to printer, I think.
Okay, go to printer settings. COM1.
COM3. Choose COM3. Remember?
Oh, COM3. Okay. Auto detect, DTR low, high, low, send emergency command and reconnect, receive cache 127. In the printer shape, choose the raw stock printer. Circular print shape, okay. Can I minimize this or, oh my god. Unhandled exception.
Crashed. Or not. I don't know what happened. Somebody crashed.
Some add-on or something in the...
So what do they have? A printable radius?
Is
Enter that.
the radius should be set at 100 and the printable height 300. Even though they advertise 180 and 300.
And put the minimum 0, 0.
0 max. So what is this doing? It's configuring the printer?
No, it's configuring your software so it knows how to send the proper like commands to it.
So I would do this in every other software that I use.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay, apply, I think now, right?
This to data could be modified later. Okay, so I can make it bigger later, so that's fine. Okay. Press connect.
I don't think it's
Yeah, it's connected.
well, there you go. Okay.
Okay, object placement. Where is this? Object placement, okay. Slicer. Preview. No, manual control. Oh, cancel. How do... I sent a bunch of commands. How do I cancel it?
You can't. Okay, cancel. You can disconnect and reconnect. Just leave it anyways. Is it doing anything?
No. These are the manual controls. Also, I could make a robot using this software, couldn't I?
Well, just sends the proper commands to the motors, so it does.
Okay, preview.
Just, I don't know why they're saying all this stuff right now. It seems like you don't even have the firmware installed yet. It's like,
I don't know what I want to do.
Move nozzle,
what?
All this stuff.
What is all this?
There you go. Well, no, this is what...
Preheat, hot end, and bed. But doesn't have the software on it.
Keep scrolling, see if they explain to you how to do the Arduino thing. It's completely weird. It's all explanation about printing, nothing about setting up the firmware. So yeah, clearly they missed that part. Was there a link there or somewhere at the Arduino part? After you download and install Arduino, was there a part that you skipped?
No.
Oh, okay. Is this where it starts?
Yeah, Marlin and max height. The Marlin is the printer program which runs the printer. It's also named firmware. Okay, only installing.
So you installed it. Scroll down. You just open it and you open the project.
Should I just close this?
Yeah.
Okay, so open Marlin. I'll just close this now, you think?
Just minimize it.
So they want me to what happened? Oh.
What is it? They don't even have Marlin here. Like
They have linear Marlin.
they don't even have it. So try to
Open Marlin. It's a compressed file. Must unzip it. Okay. Marlin.
Scroll down. Is there a project like a Marlin project? No, scroll down and list the files that you
Yeah, I
opened.
know. Yeah.
Okay, well, I think there's a Marlin, but
Marlin.h.
no, that's this one. I know.
This one?
Double click. Yeah, this one. Double click on this one. It should open Arduino. That's the project. I know is the
Project.
root.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure if you have to disconnect, at least go back to Repetier and disconnect, because you can't connect from two places. Yeah.
So to close this, restart it?
No, not yet. Okay, so see it already opened this configuration H, and okay, scroll down, see what they want you to do. You go to tools, and you have to select your board. So what is your board? Mega 2500. So go to tools, board, down here and scroll down. There you go.
This one?
Mega. Yep.
How do you know it's a mega? What it says here? Oh yeah, mega. Okay. Port. Select the.
So yeah, down.
One second.
Where you were.
Port.
Port COM3. And then
tools and go to
program.
Yeah, and USB tiny ISP.
Okay.
And then I do upload firmware, which is
the one that with the up arrow. Or maybe the one with the send.
Please disconnect Repetier when flash firmware. Big red letters, okay. Let me make sure it's closed, yeah. File,
No, that arrow. See the
verify?
You can verify, that's like compile. It just compiles the program called Sketch. But click on configuration H, make sure that it actually has the information for your printer.
It is. It says in the here description that this program or this is
No, it doesn't say. It won't say in here. In the configuration, it has to say COSL settings for whatever. Now scroll down, see there should be like a baud rate, See the boards, gen ramps, so you should have 33, 34, 35. Scroll down, see one of them is, okay, so 33, D4, extruders 1, power supply 1, Delta, okay? So yeah, it's Delta printer. Yeah. Okay, see, you scroll down, see all these...
Linear no, this is not...
Yeah, that's fine, but this is where when you fine-tune things, you're going to come modify this file and repeat what you're doing right now, because every time you make a change, you're going to have to upload anyway.
New firmware.
Upload it. Press that arrow and watch it go.
What's this saying? Narrowing conversion?
Your card should be flashing right now.
My card? There's just a red light.
No, right now it's compiling. Now it should be start flashing. Blue. Make this window bigger, the black part. It usually has a progress bar.
There it is, it's right there. Uploading.
No, they're like dots usually.
60% of dynamic memory. Still loading.
Yes, so this Arduino card has 8 meg.
Does it take a while to upload?
Yeah. Is it flashing?
No, nothing's flashing.
Nothing flashing on your card?
No. An error occurred while uploading the sketch.
Error, yeah. So did you set the proper baud rate?
Proper what?
Baud rate. So go back to instruction. ما بيقول لك حط baud rate.
Confirm the max height. The max height is so important, so it's good to know.
Up before. Okay, before the port. Tools. Huh. Scroll down. There should be a place where it says the baud rate. Do you remember it was 250,000?
What?
And repeat. Go here to tools. And where's the speed? That's weird.
The max height is so important. For example, here now the max height of the board is 270. This is initial data. Need to confirm the current. Max height. Fine.
Shit. That's weird. There was speed, so you have to you select the speed.
Should I try restarting the Arduino?
No, but unplug it and plug it back again. The printer. Try now.
Everything's here is the same. Should I do get board info maybe?
Doesn't matter. No, I mean, just, yeah.
Nothing flashing yet.
Well, when it starts saying uploading, that's when it should start flashing blue LED on your board.
It's not. It's just red. Like when it's uploading, it's just red.
Red is just power.
Okay, there's no blue LED that I see on here.
So you're gonna get an error now. Yeah.
Good night, dude.
Good night.
You can see it from here.
Oh, he's doing a live stream too.
Yes.
I sent you a video on Facebook, Amir.
I don't even go on Facebook, but
I know, but it's a video from Facebook, so you need to check Facebook.
Yeah, I will tomorrow.
Good night. So what is it? Timeout communicating with programmer. An error occurred while uploading sketch.
Should I reset the board?
How do you reset the board? When you unplug it, it resets. You're unplugging it, right?
I'll unplug it now. Ah, it's plugged in right now.
Every time you unplug it, you turn it off. You plug it back in, it powers back on.
Okay, maybe because it was plugged in, so I didn't restart. So I'll try it now. Okay, upload. There's no blue light. I don't see any LEDs on my board. Only the... Oh,
No, it's not working. Go to your device manager and make sure it's still at on count 3. Yeah. No, it's working. Well, we don't know if it's working or not because even Repetier didn't do anything.
The Repetier wouldn't have been able to do anything, right? If there's no firmware?
No.
What, I would be able to control the printer right now?
No. Right now you have just a generic Arduino board.
Yeah.
But weird thing, you're unable to communicate to it with the Arduino software. So, what could be the problem? Can't see it.
The file that they open up is 3.11 kilobytes.
It's not your project. It's open. It's fine. The project's open. It's right there, and it's trying to compile and everything. The problem is it can't find it when it's sending the.
Yeah. Okay, so let's do it again. Go to Arduino, Tools, Board is Arduino Mega or Mega 25060. Okay, correct. Tools, port, COM3, okay. USB Tiny SP, not Arduino ISP, okay.
Are you sure?
That's in the picture they have USB Tiny ISP marked. If I try Arduino, it won't do anything, right? So as if it doesn't try.
Don't try.
Don't try?
Don't try. If they're saying USB Tiny ISP. Upload button to. Well, now it failed immediately.
No, it tried to upload.
What happened? Why this time it doesn't say what the error was?
Copy error message.
I don't know what to tell you. This is the.
Hardest
You know
part.
what?
What?
Try their Arduino. Try the 1.6.2 version.
It could be this version. Okay.
So, like, it's possible.
Install. Oh. China, man. Hong Kong.
Could be a driver issue. So.
Installing right now. I gave them a 2-star review on the website.
What?
I gave them a 2-star review. Because of the missing parts in their instruction book, which makes no sense. At least they delivered it on time.
Did you uninstall 1.8 or just install this one?
I uninstalled the old one.
What?
I uninstalled the old one.
You uninstalled it?
Yeah. They make you uninstall it. When I was trying to install this, they told me you must uninstall everything. Everything.
Yeah, I don't think that's the reason. I think probably I'm thinking it's probably the USB driver.
What do you mean?
Like the driver wasn't installed properly.
Oh, whenever I plugged it in?
No, when you run that weird software that they have, the install ch to ttl.
Oh, okay, yeah. This one?
Yeah.
Registry tool? What is this?
For cons. It's a con registry tool. Did you do you have Windows 64 running or 32?
What do you mean? Me?
Yeah, you have Windows 64.
Yeah,
32
64-bit.
Did you have it plugged in when you ran the installer?
Not sure. I think so. Should I uninstall it?
No, just install it again. It doesn't matter. It'll overwrite. Why does it take such a long time?
Oh, this Arduino is huge.
It's a lot of examples and definition files and stuff. Because it supports a lot of board.
What language does Arduino use?
What?
What language does it use?
They have their own. It's kind of like C.
Oh, they have their own Arduino programming language?
It's C basically, just straightforward. Simplified C language. $754 folders.
Brutal, man. I just want to start 3D printing. It's worth it. I could have gotten the smaller one and just been 3D printing immediately, but this one, it's huge.
So this time it didn't say, did it say it installed?
Yeah,
The driver?
yeah, it said that last time. Come on. Would you like to install this driver software? Install.
No. Okay, fine. I hope this one is not overriding the other drivers. If close it and try it again, see what happens now.
Doesn't look as cute as the other one. Okay, close this. Back to the USB software. Linear Marlin. Casey Rias and Ben Fry. Okay, tools. Okay. Board, Arduino Mega.
Programmer.
I can't click it anymore. There we go. Processor.
No, just leave that one.
Port, COM3. Programmer, USB Tiny ISP. And then we run it.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's nothing flashing yet.
That is only when it does uploading. Right now it's not communicating.
Oh, it's compiling the sketch. Okay.
Please notice there are no warnings.
Yeah.
There you go. So now uploading.
Nothing flashing. Your fire alarm is out of battery.
No.
I just heard a beep, maybe it's something else.
That could be.
No, my fire alarm is right next to me. It's very loud.
Okay, this is not working. I don't think. Anyway, wait for it to die. You can move that timeout communicating. So you can move that section, you know, that middle section, move it up. Yeah, there you go.
I'm a hacker now.
So
should I try plugging it into a different USB port on my laptop?
Yeah, of course. It could be a bad cable too. Are you using the cable that
they sent me?
They sent you?
Yeah, it's a brand new one.
Yeah, you try different USB ports.
I mean, it's powering through, so it's getting power.
No, but it's very possible. I've had issues with sometimes.
Do I need to? I don't need to install any drivers anymore, right?
No, but you need to go to Device Manager and see what it is right now.
Ah, okay. Because it changes the, okay.
Different COM port.
Wait, but do I have to do that every time I print? I have to use the same USB port?
Yeah. Yes. Well, see, this is why you install a remote, or you put the stuff on the SD card, so you don't have to plug your laptop.
Got it.
Device Manager, no?
Right there.
COM4 now, okay.
So just change it to COM4.
Yeah.
Let me just check. Compiling the sketch.
Oh my god, why does it compile it again? I thought it doesn't do it. It hasn't changed.
You never know, man.
Well, it knows.
Okay, it's uploading.
Anything flashing?
No. There's one LED on the board that's red, and then there's one right next to it, I think, which is the blue one.
Mm.
I sent the guy on Skype that the firmware is not installing.
I wonder if it has a reset on it.
The board, it does have a reset.
I know. Try to fix it. Okay.
I pressed the reset, but what does that do?
It resets it.
But
Yeah,
the light didn't turn off or on or anything.
You know what? Try to plug it into power.
If it's not picking up power?
Yeah, try to plug it into the wall. Maybe you're not.
Let me, after this stops. It's huge. I need to get its own table. It's not gonna to take over like 1/3 of my desk with all this stuff with it.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll buy one, like one of those IKEA tables, the small one. Okay. Unplug it. Plug the power. Plug it back in. Now, press. Is there any? Maybe there's a way to deactivate the compile every time. No.
No.
Come on, dude.
You know, probably should try a different programmer.
Boom! Crashed immediately. Problem uploading to board.
Well, because you changed the COM port,
It's the same one. Maybe
changed USB.
COM5. Why COM5? Okay.
What did it change by itself? What happened?
Maybe there's two USB ports here, so maybe I plugged it into the other one. No light. It's not gonna work.
See, nobody says to change the programs. Maybe you should take it back to whatever default it uses.
Which was like A of AVR ISP.
AVR ISP MK2. Try now.
No light.
I think your driver is not proper.
This one?
Because they're saying, see, as soon as the driver is installed correctly, you will find the device Arduino 2560 in your device manager. So in your device manager, you don't see.
Where do you see that?
So if you go to device manager, right now you just see the CH304. You don't see Arduino.
Where's that? Not in ports?
Yeah, see how it says USB serial CH340?
Yeah, there should be another one called Arduino.
No, it should say Arduino instead of the USB serial CH340. So go back to that driver and instead of running that, run the other one.
Uninstall this?
It doesn't matter. I don't think it matters. It's 2011, so old.
Oh, no, it doesn't even recognize it.
Yeah, so go back to the, close this. There was another one, it's just drive setup. Try that one.
Oh, the 32-bit?
Not 32-bit, I don't think it says, I think it also says 64, but I don't know what the difference is. No, not here. First one. Yeah, just says setup. Oh, yeah.
This one? Please install by hand.
Okay. Jeez.
Maybe I should run this as administrator.
Yeah, try that. Although it would have given you an error if it failed.
It doesn't say Arduino. Oh.
Unplug it and plug it. Try the other driver. This one is. Why would he said? There's another one. The one on the top. Yeah, this one. Try this one.
That one replaces the other one, the 64-bit, if you... What is this here? Device USB /VID blah 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 requires further installation.
What?
What if I update the driver?
Try. I don't think it matters.
No.
You know what?
What?
I have an idea. Go to the Arduino CC website.
Okay. Arduino what? CC?
Yeah.
The handle is invalid. Why?
Because it changed again. It's not counted.
Oh yeah, okay, sorry. What were you saying? Go to Arduino?
Arduino.cc. That's right there. First step. Sorry.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay.
Okay. Go to the main page
Okay.
and go to software. See that thing, Arduino Web Editor?
Okay.
Go to, try it now. Whatever, register.
There's no Facebook. Oh my god. Oh. I'm glad I got approved for that credit card.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, go back to software again.
But it's weird, they didn't ask me for any ID or pictures of my ID or anything.
They checked you already.
I didn't send them any pictures.
Why would they need pictures of credit card?
I don't know, to confirm it's me. Okay.
Yeah, so agree. Okay. So this allows you to upload. So they have a way of actually, they can configure it directly. So download their plugin. Yeah. Wait before you click the other one. Wait, what does it say? Yeah, it's okay. Okay, you see it at the bottom?
Yeah. Open this?
I don't know, is that what they say? What happened? They kicked you out?
Yeah.
Okay, go to Arduino Create.
Sign in. Oh, 3D printer right behind it.
Yeah. So try to upload like a small. Go to getting started. See at least if it can talk to it. You did that. Okay, set up. Try. Didn't you already do this? You did this. I already have it. So load the sample. Just try to upload right now.
Oh, sorry.
Select it. Right there, second one. Anything flashing?
No. Amazon Web Services. Ah!
Mm.
Why are they using our competitor? Error executing command exit status 1.
See, something wrong with your connection. Either cable, but the cable you said you're using their cable, right?
Yeah. And it recognizes the device.
Well, it recognizes a device. That's it. It hasn't recognized anything else.
Everything is plugged in correctly. So then try unplugging the power again.
Yeah, unplug the power. So maybe. Yeah, in theory, you shouldn't have both of them connected together, but weird. Disconnected.
Oh.
Why did it disconnect?
Look.
Yep.
Means it's recognized?
Looks like it.
Let me check the. Try this one more time. Not flashing.
Flashing?
No. But it was able to recognize it here in the.
Yeah, so go back to that. So I told you that online software is better because they have.
So what do? I wanna like.
Well, I don't know if it was able to recognize it. They selected it from a drop down.
No, it was automatically chose this one.
No, you selected the board, remember?
Ah, okay. How do I upload here? Import
To do what?
that INO file or whatever.
Well, you have to first try small one. You're not gonna upload the whole thing, but it doesn't work. If you can get a small program to upload, then that's good enough. Uploading. It says, where is the upload?
No, I canceled it
Why?
because this one is also already uploading. Oh no, it crashed. Okay. Whenever you upload to Arduino, it formats the entire board?
Yep, of course. It's just a controller. It's not a computer. It doesn't have operating system. It's just you're uploading to memory instructions, and all it does.
No plug-in connection.
It gives you an error. It says plugin. Open debug console. What does it say?
One second, let me run it again.
Aha! Oh, success verifying. No, you just did verify. You didn't do upload.
Oh. has to work now.
No.
No, it has to, like, I can't
Oh,
have...
see right there? It
What?
has the speed 115, 200. That's wrong. Figure out a way to fix this. I think that's what it is. It should be 250,000.
Where would you notice this? This one?
Let's say, yeah, the baud rate right there. See, it's 115 to 200. Go to preferences on the left.
Okay.
I don't see. There was a place. How do you change speed? Oh my god! Like I've done this a billion times.
There, it's better. This guy's ignoring me now, Dave. I think he doesn't like me.
Well, you're not the only one.
What are you looking for?
How do you control the baud rate for that? It sends the data at.
It recognizes it. Look. Oh no, okay. So, just recognizing that it's plugged in.
I guess the software sets it. So. If you go back to your tools, can you open the serial monitor?
Clicking it, nothing's coming up. I click it, but nothing comes up.
Do you have the right COM port selected?
Oh, here, this one?
Yeah, see it has a baud rate right there, 9600.
Yeah.
Make that 250,000, scroll down. And it doesn't even go to 250,000.
There's 115.
Yeah, so, well, select it.
Send?
And now, no. Well, you can't send. Send AT, whatever.
Nothing to send. Should you select the line ending?
No, just type something. What do you understand? Silence, yeah, whatever. Nothing, that's not. Now try to upload while I have this open, see what happens. Maybe you'll see any response.
What? Like
Just keep
this?
this open while you do upload.
I just closed it automatically.
I don't know, my friend. It's very strange that this is very simple stuff. So
Verify code after upload.
Mega.
Should I look on Google for?
I'm seeing the programmers. What is the programmer matter? خلاص شو اسمه wait until he responds. That's all I can suggest. Just tell him I'm using following instruction, but I keep getting timeout error when uploading.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna turn off the stream.